Never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we are in the parish of St Anne and we're going to be looking at a new gated community, new housing development called Happy Cove Estate. Now Happy Cove Estate is literally a 3-minute drive from Ocho Rios town centre. So with this development you are close to all of the amenities, everything you need is within a very short distance away. Now on the drive up to Happy Cove Estate from Ocho Rios town centre, it took us just over 2 minutes to arrive, just to show you how close it is. So this is the drive up. On the right hand side you can see Ocho Rios High School, so it's just past the high school. Now this is not the first time that we've been to Happy Cove. We've been quite a few times in the past. However, on our previous visits, the units were really just a shell. There weren't any fixtures or fittings, so we chose not to showcase it. But there are fixtures and fittings now, so we thought it was a great time to showcase this development. Now, on our way up there on this particular day, the contractors are doing some work. So the left turning that we usually take to enter into Happy Cove Estate was non-accessible. So you'll see that coming up now. The left turn, which is coming up now, which is the road that you take to access Happy Cove Estate, was actually not accessible due to work. So we had to take a little detour. It didn't take us long. We had to just take the next road up. But guys, just to show you how close it is to, or how close it is from Ocho Rios town centre. And there's a sign there, Happy Cove Estate. This is the left turn that you'd usually take to access the development. Now before we give you a tour of the model unit, we're going to be showing you a computer generated image of some of the amenities and facilities that are available to residents at the Happy Cove Estate. Now the amenities include 24-hour security. It is a gated community, but it comes with 24-hour security. There is a swimming pool. There is a clubhouse and a gym for all residents and guests. There is open parks and green spaces, wide roads. There is a conference room and there is also a jogging trail. There is also a kids play area too. So the units at Happy Cove are 2 and 3 bedroom units. You can get 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom units, 3 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom units as well. The lot sizes for these units are 4,400 square feet, and the starting price for these units are 30 million Jamaican dollars. That's roughly just over 200,000 US dollars, just over 239,000 Canadian dollars, and just over 142 Great British pounds. For those people who want to know the price in euros, that's just over 162,000 euros. Now, although some of the units have already been built, there is still quite a bit of construction taking place throughout this development. The model unit that we are going to be featuring today is the 3-bedroom model unit. Guys, I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking throughout the presentation of the model unit, but it is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom model unit. Now this development is literally a stone's throw away from Ocho Rios Country Club. We have featured that on our channel, so if you want to go and check that out, you can find that on our channel. But Ocho Rios Country Club is literally a stone throw away, and we're going to show you now. So here we are standing outside Happy Cove, which will be the entrance, the gated entrance. And to the right, as I turn my camera, you can see, I'm going to zoom in guys so you'll be able to see, Ocho Rios Country Club. So straight ahead, that big grey building right in front, that is Ocho Rios Country Club development, to show you how close it is. Guys, the number of who to contact is coming up on your screen now. We thank you for watching this video. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe. Please do watch the ads also. And until next time, datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.